Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fog lights. First, gather your essential tools: a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. You will also need your new fog light bulbs, which are typically H16 or 9005 types. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. To access the fog light, begin by turning your steering wheel fully towards the side you're working on. This provides better access to the fender liner. Next, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts securing the fender liner. Once these bolts are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This action will reveal the fog light assembly, making it accessible for the next steps. With the fog light assembly exposed, twist the old fog light bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. Now, take your new bulb, connect the electrical connector, and insert the bulb into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it is securely in place. After installing the new bulb, carefully push the fender liner back into its original position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Then, reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts to secure the liner firmly. Finally, test your new fog lights to confirm they are working properly. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.